Imagine a future where financial freedom is not just a dream, but a reality, a life where your money works for you, growing steadily and securely. Welcome to From Zero to Millions, your guide to smart investing. Discover how strategic choices can transform your financial landscape. Unlock the power of smart investing and build lasting wealth. What truly sets investing apart from simple saving? It's about putting your money to work, aiming for significant growth. The magic of compounding allows your earnings to earn even more. A small start, consistently applied, can lead to exponential returns. Remember 3 core principles. Start early, be consistent, and always diversify your portfolio to spread risk effectively. First, define your financial goals. What do you truly want to achieve? Are they short-term dreams or long-term aspirations for your future? Calculate your investment needs to reach those important milestones. Now let's explore the fundamental tools of investment. Stocks represent ownership in companies, offering significant growth potential. Bonds are loans to entities, providing more stable, predictable returns. Mutual funds and ETFs offer instant diversification, simplified for you. And real estate, a tangible asset, can build significant long-term equity. Understanding your personal risk tolerance is paramount for success. Balance potential rewards with the level of risk you're comfortable with. Long-term strategies often outperform short-term speculation. Dollar cost averaging smooths out market fluctuations over time. Regularly rebalance your portfolio to maintain your strategic allocation. Avoid common pitfalls. Don't let emotions drive your financial decisions. And resist the urge to chase fleeting, unpredictable market trends. Remember, smart investing is a marathon, not a sprint to the finish line. It's a continuous journey of learning, adaptation, and strategic growth. The most crucial step is simply to begin. Take that first step today. Start learning, start planning, and start investing in your future. Your journey from zero to millions begins now. Embrace the power of smart investing